Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for the crown chakra. There's a whole playlist that's about the chakras, and feel free to tune in to whichever chakra you're feeling needs help. But today we're working on the crown. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. This is not a replacement for Western medicine. All you need to do to accept this healing is to nod or affirm yes. Sahasrara. The crown, the connection to God, Creator, illumination, self-realization. This is, for me, a way to connect into Great Spirit, to connect to ancestors, spirits, guides, angels. And if your crown is open, you're receiving information from on high. It's also, I will say that working on the upper chakras, it's fabulous to have these lit up and open and attentive, but it's essential to nurture the lower chakras and create that foundation as well. If you're all up in the top chakras, which I spent a lot of my life being, very sensitive to energy, very open and connected to source, but also ungrounded. So it's important to ground your energy as well. So go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. So before we begin to focus on the crown, we're just going to drop a grounding cord through the root into the earth, down, 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 deep into the earth so that you're anchored into Mother Earth. Feel your energy drop into the earth. Once your energy is grounded and you feel connected to the earth, you can bring your focus and attention to the top of your head, the fontanelle, where you once had a gap in between the bones in your skull. As an infant, this area was wide open, and as you matured and developed and grew, the bones drew closer together, sutured together to create a closed system. But in fact, this energy center, the central meridian, is an imperative part of well-being and health. Just bringing your energy and your attention to this area. And you can feel your energy from the crown extend up, up, up through the air above you, through the roof above you, further and further still, into the sky, out into the stratosphere, further still out into space. We're going to cast the crown and the energy all the way into the central sun, the galactic center. Connecting to the light of this source, the pivot point that the entire galaxy circles around, spirals around. So with your energy grounded in Mother Earth and expanded to this central sun, take a deep breath. And feeling the heart ignite too with this beautiful conduit, so that you are in alignment with the highest good, your highest self, your oversoul, your spirit, and calling in beautiful angels, spirits, guide that are in alignment with your divine purpose. For anyone who's passed over, any loved ones passed over, welcoming in their presence here, no matter the relationship, they're coming here to be healed as well. Feeling in the ancestors coming in, receiving this healing. So a prayer that all of your ancestors receive the benefit from this healing. All of your family, your children, your mother, your father, your grandparents, your sisters and brothers, your aunties and uncles, your cousins, your friends and community, your home, your pets, the land where you stand. Everybody receive the benefit of this healing energy brought from on high, bringing you into alignment with the crown. This is the God force coming through you, the divine connection to Creator, connection to Source. One love, one consciousness, one source. An individuated consciousness in the giant ocean. It's allowing this beautiful golden magical sparkles raining through the crown, the open portal, washing over you a shower of blessings from on high. With your crown chakra open, receptive. You might find that you're high on life, with your heart open and receptive, with your root grounded. It's a beautiful pulsing, oscillating, spiraling wave coming down through the channel, bringing this beautiful healing energy through the whole body, through all the tissues and cells, and you can direct it with your conscious intention to an aspect of your physical body that needs some help right now. Direct this energy right where you need it. Breathe it in. I'm open to receive. Just clearing out any detritus or debris that you may have picked up from other people, so that your own energy, your own frequency signature is loud and clear for you to receive information that's in alignment with your highest good. Remembering that anything that is a positive message, affirmative, life affirmative message, pay attention. If they're self-detrimental or life negative, maybe don't engage or listen to those messages so much. Lift the energy so that you're only receiving life affirmative, positive messages for your well-being, for your health, for your mind, body, spirit, for clarity on the way forward in all ways and always. And a prayer that you have clarity in your life to know the right direction for yourself, that it's in alignment with your true self. Yes. Thank you, my loves. Bless. Feels really nice. Thanks for doing that work with me.